Bye. Morning guys, punta sila dun sa kung saan sila swimming. Titingnan lang nila. Si kuya pala nandito kasi nag-fishing siya kanina. And tinitest niya yung eggs kung okay. Pasabi ko okay pa yan. Tinitest niya pa nag-float, hindi na siya okay. Ano? Alright.
Right, Dad said he got some.
Where? No, it's not there.
Can you grab me this?
Okay.
Oh, Cad's cooking eggs and bacon as well.
May sausages kaming tira kagabi. Ayan. Ano na pala guys, yung oras is...
Can I check these on the heater up?
Yeah, they're in the pan.
Yeah.
It is... What time is it? Yeah.
I don't know, my calf hurts.
Why?
Oh, do you know we went out in the kayak? Like, out.
With who?
Cado?
Did Kate have kayak?
Yeah, his. We went out on that. And we didn't catch anything.
Oh.
We hooked on, it jumped at
Yeah.
me, and I went like that and it came off.
9:51.
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's not.
Isn't
Yes, it is. Okay. So, ako mag-walking pa lang. Kuya, wow, nice. Eggs, yan. Sunny side up eggs. Your top, kuya, ha? Matalsikan
I'm
niya.
taking it off.
Ah, alright. I'm going now. See ya.
But
Bye, mag-walking na ako. Tinawagan ko si Jan. Kasi akala ko dun ulit sila sa... Kung saan sila beach. Hindi raw sila dun kasi walang waves. Pero si Sak, feeling ko hindi naman yun magsiswim kasi yung wetsuit niya nasa bathroom. Ano?
I split the yolk.
Oh. Nabasag niya yung isang yoke pag-flip. Ha?
It kept splashing me.
Yeah, it's, turn it down. Put it here now because it's really hot.
It turned off anyway.
Okay. May market pala today. This is my last market kasi uwi na kami Monday. Sana maabutan ko pa. 11 naman sila magsasara. Gusto kong bilhin yung rosemary. Sana nandun siya. Last week kasi wala siya. Sinabihan niya naman ako wala raw siya dun. Last week. Okay. How is it? Is it hot?
No, it's warm.
Don't wipe it on that
Look
cloth.
out.
No. It's gonna be oily.
My socks.
Oh my God, Kuya, you're disgusting. Oh my God. Nasalo mo. Oh my God, Kuya. Be careful. Don't forget to unplug that one,
Yeah, I
huh?
know.
Alright, see ya.
Oh,
Bye.
yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Ano na talaga siya, independent na siya. Dito na tayo sa market. Ito na yung last market natin. Mahangin today. Oh, dito siya. So, yung gusto kong bilhin sa kanya ay eto. Etong rosemary. Malambot lang to. Yung isa kasing klaseng rosemary matigas. Ito maganda to pang indoor. Kailangan ko nito si Sak kasi gustong gusto ni Sak. Passion fruit. Balikan ko mamaya yung rosemary. Libot muna ako. Tinawagan ko rin si Jan. Kasi wala raw sila dito eh. Sabi ko, hindi ko madadala to sa walking ko yung bibiling kong rosemary. Nandito pa rin yung atis, oh. Ito yung $1.
I'm very light. I'm so light on my legs.
Garlic.
So you kissed a girl just 'cause you wanted to. Not thinking about what you made her do. She started doing her hair and makeup, oh, just for you.
Ito
So
wala yung sausage today.
No responsibility in this world, but if you're young and smart, you should know better. Don't get laid back 'cause you're not that cold. Don't
Ah,
think
purple
you're safe and
potatoes.
sound,
Oh, wow.
walking around breaking
Kala ko sweet
rules.
potato.
I'll bet your parents are worried sick. That's
Yeah,
not
so
as
this is
cool as
purple.
you think. Not as cool as you think.
Meron pang nag-iisa. Kunin ko to.
Chicken asparagus. Roast
Dito na sila. Parang ang tagal natin hindi nagkita. Sak, hold this sak, ah. So far, ito yung nabili natin. Binili ka ba? What did you have? What did you have?
Nothing.
Okay, can you hold this for me?
Good. Hold it.
Pure raw honey. Yes, please. Hi! It's alright? We gotta leave. Thank you. Yes, please. What's that, sir?
Two Nutella bowls and one camel.
Okay, come on.
Caramel.
Caramel.
Not camel.
Camel ka dyan.
Camel.
Gusto niya raw to. That's one ram. That's alcohol. Ah. Okay. Yeah.
Joking.
How much is that? $10 again, Baba? Huh? Kuya is having a good lunch there.
If you bring me out, can you get me a bloody big hot dog?
There's no hot dog.
There's no caramel, but you can taste it.
That's nice. No? Okay. It's nice.
That wing's picked
Thank
up,
you.
Mum.
Huh?
The wing picked up.
Mm-hmm. Just put that on your hand. Good? Okay, see you. Bye. Love you. Bye. Can I have a little drink, Mama?
You can have it. No.
Yeah, I'll say. No, you share with us.
You can have it.
What about the Nutella? Is it good?
So that you want, Mum, please?
It's good. Okay, see you, babe. Thank you.
Bye, Mum. Love you.
Love you, bye. Lakad na ulit ako. Balik ako doon. Bili ako ng caramel balls kasi masarap siya. Kahit yung Nutella, masarap din. Thank you. Paalis na siya, oh. Nagpapak na sila kasi mag-11 na. Is it 11? Yes. Mag-11 na. Ah, wala pa naman. Ayan na yung ating balls. So, ito caramel. Nilagyan niya naman ng pangang caramel, ram, choco mint, and white chocolate. Hindi niya nilagyan yung white kasi white naman siya. Okay. Walking na tayo. Pababa tayo sa Yamba Main Beach. Wala ako nakikitang nagsasurfing today. Bukas yung hindi. Hindi bukas yung coffee shop dito. 2 days natin to hindi nakita. Kasi hindi tayo nag-walking. Ayun, may bata dun. Ang cute. Ah, bukas ata. Ayan si kuya naka-coffee. Wala lang yung umbrellas. Kasi mahangin.
kissed a girl just 'cause you wanted to. Not thinking about what you made her do. She started doing her hair and makeup, oh, just for you. Only because you kissed a girl when you wanted to. You think you're young and smart, got no responsibility in this world, but
I'm fine.
Dito na pala ako sa caravan.
What did you buy now?
Nothing. Yung watch ko pa, yung Apple Watch ko na, low-bat siya. Alright, see ya.
Mommy,
Pero same route pa
avocado
rin.
soft.
Yeah. Same route pa rin. So, more than 7K ulit yung ating lakad. After 2 days na walang lakad. And yung nabili ko pala, akala ko banana. Sabi ko kay Jen, banana bread. Carrot cake pala. Ito na lang kasi nag-iisa dun. Tapos, proud na proud pa akong sabihin kay Jen. Sabi ko, babe, there's only last one banana bread. Pagdating dito, carrot cake pala. And, may dinaanan. Lagi ko siya nadadaanan yung isang shop doon na malapit sa coffee shop din. Tapos, siya yung next. Ang paninda niya is more on mga Japanese plates, bowl, mga ganon. So, meron tayong nabili. Pero hindi ko na sa inyo ito ma-unbox kasi pinarap ko na siya ng maayos. Pero makikita nyo naman kasi insert ko, linag ko siya sa phone. Dito siya, oh. Medyo pricey lang, kaya kumuha lang ako ng isang piece ng ganito, ganyan. Kasi, yun nga, medyo pricey siya. Pero gusto ko siyang i-add as a collection. So, ito yung first Japanese plates, bowl natin. Yan. Magaganda siya. So, same color, neutral lang siya na kulay. Like earth color. So, ilalagay ko siya sa ilalim ng bed. And bukas, pupunta ko dun sa isa, yung My Feb Home Kitchen ba yun? Kasi bibilin ko yung gusto kong bilhin din dun. Kasi sa Monday, alis na tayo. So, kailangan ko nang bilhin yung mga gusto kong bilhin. So, yun yung aking boodle today. And avocado. And ito, masarap siya. And first time kong makatikim na creamy honey. So, pwede mo siya ilagay sa bread or sa salad mo. I-drizzle mo lang siya. Sabi nung nagtitinda. Kasi sabi ko, paano ba ito gamitin? You can use it as normal how you use your honey. Like, okay. So, tapos sabi ko, can I put in the salad? Yes, of course. So, kaya binili ko rin siya. Masarap siya in fairness. May may cinnamon. Meron siya yung original na creamy honey. Ang kinuha ko yung cinnamon. Last one na lang to. Diyan ko siya nilagay. So, hopefully hindi siya mabasag. And ito yung isa na nabili ko dun sa My Feb Home Kitchen. So, lagay ko lang siya dito sa ibabaw. Diba? Ganyan. Kaya ka, Baba? Gusto niya raw ng avocado.
I just have to give Dad the sunnies.
Hmm?
I just have to give Dad the sunnies. Mom, are you gonna make that your thingy?
What thing?
The one that you made?
No. I'm just...
Because I can get you ice.
It's alright. Gusto niya yung sabi ko sa kanya yung ginagawa ng lolo nila sa Bicol.
Baby.
Yung binili ko, hinaw pa to, matigas pa. $1 lang. Okay, you're welcome. Ilagay ko ulit to dun sa paper bag. Wow. Isa pala, dumating na, nasa pool na siya.
This is my
Wow.
second swim today.
Second swim,
That's
wow.
why it's wet.
Nakalimutan ko, mayroon pala tayo ditong prawns and bags. Ayan. Ilagay ko sa freezer kasi magdi-dinner daw kami sa labas. Kasi yung mga bata, meron silang training today. Hindi namin ito makakain. So, i-freezer ko na lang. Sayang.
Ay, Mama,
Yeah.
Mama. Please, please.
What? No, kuya.
Mum, I'm here with you.
Ha? Kahapon to eh. Kahapon. Bagong luto. Kahapon niluto.
Stomach stinks.
4,
The prawns.
6. 6 lang per bag. Hala, look at that. Clothing line there.
Where?
Yung, ito yung bags. Ang sarap ng bags. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There's no food.
Ah, fuck. Gutom ka rin naman, kuya. There's no
There's
food.
none.
Non-food. Ang daming chips dyan.
I'm not hungry.
Parang gusto kong kainin yung iba. Yan, kainin ko yung iba. Si Willow, mayroon din siya. So, hinati ito kahapon. 2, 3, 4, 5. Para pantay. Ito, kainin ko to. What, you want some here?
Ew.
What do you mean? You have to
There's a
try.
little crab in there.
What crab?
Like a little one. You can't eat it though.
Where? Where you go fish?
In there. No, in there.
You
You can't eat it.
why not? May
It's so
maliit,
small.
may maliit na crab.
Where?
Luto din.
Where's the crab?
Yeah. Oh, your hands are cold.
Can I have these?
Zach! Put this in, Daddy. Please. Kuya, put this in the... Come on. In Daddy's...
Ew.
Come on. In this, Ayun, inayos niya na yung niya, sampayan niya dun. Malakas kasi yung hangin. Sinara na nga ni Jan yung yung window dito. Hindi ako sasama sa training nila. Mag-edit ako. Babalik naman sila dito para maligo, then dinner. So, ito na yung ating brunch na to. Wala pa tayong... Hindi pa ako kumain ako yung yung balls. Yung mint choco balls. Yung nabili natin sa market. How?
Yeah,
Yes.
orange, yeah. Bit of
This
white, yeah.
This is brown.
Yeah, yeah.
Brown
yeah.
orange.
Right, Mama,
Hindi ako sasama sa
find a slip brush.
Hindi ako sasama sa training. Si Jan susutin niya na yung bago niyang
Bye, Mom.
bye, I love you.
What's time?
Not yet. It's
4:20.
4:20. 4:21. Zach, see you when you get back.
I'm tucking my boots on now.
Yeah.
Dirt in them.
Oh, whose shorts is that one? Is that yours, hon?
There.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's put them there.
Oh. Pagkadinis ko, lalagyan nila ng Zach, can you put that bag in the basket, Nak? That white plastic piece.
Pony.
Love you.
Love you.
See you. Don't step on the banana. Look at Daddy, Zach. It- Let me see your fashion today. Where is it, Han? Wow. Yan talaga. Wow. Malamig na. You're so mabango, Han.
Wala na.
Wala na.
I can't see it. I I climbed on it and then there's nothing there.
Here, oh, look at you and Dad. Oh my God. See ya, Kuya. You're not cold. Look at your dad. Look at si Kuya. What do you think, Kuya?
Grandpa, 100%.
100%. Love you, see ya.
I'm staying here.
Are you staying?
Mom, where is
Are you
the
staying
slipper?
here or are you going?
There's nothing to do there for.
Yeah, you stay here na lang.
Mom,
Yeah.
where's your slip brush? I climbed on it and there's nothing on the top.
It's in the cabinet there. The
Cabinet?
first, yeah, open the cabinet there. Can you reach it?
Oh.
Yeah. In the bathroom.
Oh.
Here. Inside here.
Oh, in here.
Hindi niyo naman mahanap yung brush
I
niya.
thought it was in that.
That's why you went outside to get there.
That one.
No, this one.
So that one. And this was mine.
Oh, yeah.
You had your black brush.
Yeah, it's in my bag. I thought you're looking for my little brush. Oh, that one, the slick one.
Yeah.
Okay. You're just gonna go to the trampoline?
I'm just gonna do my hair. Then I might watch some TV. Kids.
Oh, okay. All right. Oh, how did you go?
Good.
Are you gonna have a shower now? Yeah. Dito na sila. Magsha-shower na sila.
Menu, but I think it's only about 4 things they have, like hamburger for $20.
I've had the hamburger.
Thank you. Thanks.
Oh, well, unfortunately, cheese stays is
That's a burrata cheese, Kuya. That's good. What's
Zach, you just got film doing that.
ang ganda yun yung kay
Wait, what about the girl that brought light?
Yeah, you owe me $2.